In this video, I'm going to be comparing the top AI image generators on the exact same prompts. I'll rank them on the factors of quality, creativity, and accuracy. DALL-E 3 is integrated within ChatGPT even with the free subscription, while Midjourney is a Discord bot with a minimum monthly subscription of $10 a month. Let's compare both and determine which one is the best AI image generator. Right away, you can tell that DALL-E has a more cartoonish style, making the images less accurate when trying to replicate hyper-realistic photography. The colors are too contrasty and pop out a bit too much for the photos to look real. Midjourney's images kept things simple and high quality without over-exaggerated details or colors. First point goes to Midjourney. Surrealism is where DALL-E's style fits more, since it's not meant to look as realistic. The cartoonish look allows for more creativity. The bright, vibrant colors of DALL-E's images make them look more dreamlike, matching the surreal aesthetic. Second point goes to DALL-E. Since minimalism is a theme, creativity won't be a major factor compared to accuracy and quality. Overall, Midjourney kept things sleek and elegant compared to DALL-E, which tried adding more details to the images that were meant to be kept flat and simple. Third point goes to Midjourney taking the lead. Similar to realism, DALL-E has colors and paint strokes that are over-exaggerated. Midjourney keeps things subtle, making some of these images look like real art pieces, making DALL-E's look too digital. Another point goes to Midjourney. DALL-E has such vibrant colors, making it match the retro neon-lit aesthetic. The colors of teal, purple, and pink pop out a lot more, making the images look alive. Midjourney keeps things too realistic, dulling the bright, flashy mood. The last point goes to DALL-E, making the total score 2 to 3. In my opinion, Midjourney is a lot better than DALL-E 3, especially when generating images that make you question if it's real or not. Considering that DALL-E 3 is free and directly incorporated into ChatGPT, while Midjourney is a Discord bot, but with many features like zooming, variations, they both have their own benefits. If you enjoyed this video, you might want to learn how to make fully AI-generated avatar videos. Here I teach you how to use Synthesia AI and all of its capabilities.